Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trina Storage presentation. My name is Tanushree, and I'm responsible for marketing of the Trina Storage business unit. And I hope you enjoy the next 20 minutes of this presentation. So what you see here on the screen is the mission statement that states, leading the energy transition through storage. So let's try to get into the middle of it and try to decode it a little bit. What does it mean? So globally, we know that the fight against climate change is accelerating, and as countries and organizations unite to reduce carbon emissions, renewable energy has taken center stage. In the morning, we heard that Trina Solar alone has delivered over 100 gigawatt of solar modules. That's a lot of solar for the grid. And solar energy and wind energy are intermittent sources. That means that the sun is not shining all day, and the wind is not blowing all the time. So they have intermittency issues, which gives rise to a host of technical challenges. And this is where storage comes into the picture. Storage is helping balance the power generation with the demand. And that's where we see that storage is actually at the center of the decarbonization journey. And as at Trina Storage, we see ourselves playing a key role in leading this energy transition through storage. In the next slide, I'm going to talk a little bit about numbers, so if you're interested in data and statistics, please follow through. Our journey has been a very short, yet a very impactful one. We started in the year 2021, where the business unit was launched in February of 2021, and we have come a long way since then. Today, we have over 500 employees globally, 100 plus customers around the world, and our first grid-scale BESS project is successfully delivered and now operational in the UK. I think that's great achievement over such a short period of time. On the top, you will see here that we have also expanded our footprint, and the Germany base is the European headquarter, while we also have an office in the United States, and it is based in Phoenix. In China also, we're doing very interesting things. So we have the R&D, the manufacturing base, as well as the integration base. So a quick snapshot of who we are and what we do. So Trina Storage is a vertically integrated BESS solution provider. We provide cost-effective and flexible solutions to customers, utilities, and developers around the world. Our main focus is to drive projects on the large-scale solar plus storage, as well as standalone storage projects and applications. What we do is we provide tier 1 hardware, software, and service, and all of this is wrapped together into a fully wrapped solution, which is highly bankable, flexible, cost-effective, safe, and reliable. Now, what is happening in China? How are we making this possible? Trina Storage has established R&D capability, and today we have over 100 researchers working in the R&D team, which is based in Changzhou in China. All of these researchers are coming from a very good educational background, so 90% of them are holding master's degrees, and it is a team led by doctors. They're carrying out research on electrochemistry, the materials, and testing, simulations, and across different cell development platforms. Moving on to the battery product range. So what we are generating from the facility, or the manufacturing facility, is Trina Storage is now vertically integrating, manufacturing LFP cells and smart cabinet solution. We understand that the supply situation in the market is quite volatile, and EV is pulling a lot of demand. We see majority, 90% of the LFP capacity is currently being pulled by the EV market, and having a secured supply chain is essential to have multiple competitive advantages and deliver the value to our clients. So what we are producing out of our manufacturing facility are the cells and the modules. They are integrated into the battery rack, the battery management system, which is the software part, the brains of the battery, which is ensuring safe and reliable operations of the product, as well as related controls and monitoring. Now, these LFP cells and modules need to be integrated into the cabinet, and the capacity of our integration facility is over 5 gigawatt hours. And this is expected to be scaled up to a planned area of 45,000 meter squares going forward. This facility is also located in Changzhou in China. So a lot of back-end support going on to bring higher value to our clients and our customers across the world. Here's a quick snapshot of who we are working with and where we are delivering the projects. So we are working for developers, independent power producers, as well as investors. We work with EPCs to deliver the engineering, procurement, and construction scope as well. So this is a quick overview of who we are working with and what we're delivering on the ground. I think I speak for the whole team when I say this is a very, very special achievement for the Trina storage team. Today we have a successfully delivered first grid-scale BESS project in the UK. It is a 50 megawatt or a 56.2 megawatt hour BESS project, and today the project is already operational and currently providing balancing services to the UK national grid. As part of our scope of work to the client, we provided the technical pre-sales consultancy. We did the initial sizing of the BESS, we did the initial design, and all the way down to the project execution was managed by the Trina storage team. We reduced project complexities, and using our group buying power, we were also able to give advantage to our client to leverage a secured supply chain. As part of the project, we also did the factory acceptance test, the commissioning, as well as the site acceptance test. So it's a great achievement that we all boast of. This project is fully operational in the UK, in Burwell, Cambridgeshire, and we also have a case study video about it, so feel free to take a look around in the booth at the Trina storage stand, and you will find this video. It's a beautiful one. I really recommend you to watch it. All right, now we come to the most exciting part, which is the launch of the all-new Elementa. It is a flexible, safe, and high-performance BESS. A modular LFP battery, which is a DC cabinet. It is fully integrated with state-of-the-art LFP batteries, liquid-cooled thermal management system, battery management system, as well as fire mitigation and suppression systems. This cabinet is optimized for flexibility, scalability, smooth installation, as well as efficient maintenance. So why should you go for the all-new Elementa? What is so different about it? There are values from cell to system to solution level. So if we talk about the cell that we're using inside of the battery cabinet of Elementa, it is our in-house cell that we are producing in China. And this cell is a product of vertical integration. So we're vertically integrating and ensuring better availability of LFP cells for our clients. These cells are also coming with improved battery performance. So by doing research and development, we are targeting the degradation of the cells, and we're making sure that we are able to offer better performance of the cells to our clients over the product life cycle. On the system level, Elementa is equipped with a busbar connection, which means that multiple units of Elementa can be flexibly connected together and scaled up depending on market needs and applications, as well as project sizes. So it's a very unique concept, and it is reducing the installation time by up to 70%. It is minimizing the cable connections, as well as reducing the on-site works and the time that is needed. Elementa also comes loaded with advanced safety features, but more on that later. On a solution level, clients are able to benefit from high cost savings, so we are driving down the CapEx and the OpEx, and this is collectively packaged together with flexible and bankable warranties from a brand like Trina. So now we're going into the meat of the thing, right? So what's happening on the cell level? Trina cells are improving the performance. They're using LFP batteries that are coming with up to 10,000 cycles on a system level. And if I only talk about the cell, we are offering up to 12,000 cycles on a cell level. It is 25% more compared to the tier 1 market average. That is a huge jump compared to what we see in the market currently. That Trina storage is able to offer 25% more cycling with its in-house battery cells. So what it means on a solution level, when we combine this 25% cycling and the fact that we're reducing the capex down to about 8% and the OpEx down to 8%, customers are able to save 25% on the total cost of ownership per megawatt hour of energy throughput compared to Tier 1 market average. These are big numbers. There are high savings, and which means it's a very, very cost-efficient solution that you should explore further with our cells and our sales engineering teams. Last but not the least, but also the very important one here, is the safety features. So Elementa comes loaded with advanced safety features, again from cell to system to the module level and to the whole cabinet level. So if we start with the cell part, Elementa is equipped with LFP batteries, which in itself is a safer chemistry compared to other chemistries like NMC. On a module level, we are doing bi-directional liquid cooling system. So the thermal management is very unique. The pack design is very unique. It's a bi-directional liquid cooling system which is enabling uniform heat dissipation and improving the performance of the batteries as well as the lifetime, right? On a system level, Elementa is equipped with gas sensors, heat and smoke detectors. So in the event of heat or smoke, Elementa will detect, the detectors will detect the heat and the smoke, and it will release the fire extinguishing agent in case of a fire as well. And last but not the least, the battery management system. Elementa features a tailored 3-level battery management system, which is ensuring the reliable and safe operations of the battery cabinet. It is monitoring real-time temperature, voltage, as well as current parameters, and if there are any abnormalities, like that of an electrical isolation failure, Elementa detects this perfectly and is able to prevent thermal runaway. Now we come to the video. Please enjoy this part. All right. So that brings me to the end of this presentation. Thank you so much for joining, and I would recommend you meet with our sales, product sales engineering teams to explore more. Thank you.